It's free. Yes, for the coupon inside these special packages of Betty Crocker Cake Mix, you get one package of Lipton's Frosty Dessert Mix, chocolate or vanilla flavor. Remember, if you like ice cream, you'll love Lipton Frosty. It's so easy to make. Wholesome fresh milk is all you add for that real old-fashioned homemade goodness. It only takes 5 minutes of your time. Your refrigerator does the rest. Yes, you can get a full-size package of Lipton Frosty free with this coupon that you'll find in this special package of Betty Crocker Cake Mix. This is the new Betty Crocker Cake Mix. Smoother batter with easier beating. New directions, too. Just 2 simple steps. And of course, you'll get a cake with that real homemade goodness because you add the eggs. Try serving a cake like this with Frosty. You can get a full package of Lipton's Frosty free for the coupon inside this package of Betty Crocker Cake Mix.